our family. In today's lecture, we are solving out the question related to the differential equation. Question says that solve the differential equation d square y upon dx square minus 4 dy upon dx plus 3y is equal to 2 e the power 3x. Solution. At first write down given equation can be written as given equation written as given equation written as put the d by dx is equal to capital D. Put d by dx is equal to capital D. When put d by dx is equal to capital D, we get d square y take out as a common, so d square minus 4d plus 3 into y is equal to 2 into e the power 3x. Now auxiliary equation is given by, now here A stands for auxiliary equation is. For finding out the auxiliary equation, put the capital D is equal to m and it is equal to 0. Then we get m square minus 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we get m square. By the splitting of the middle term, we get m square minus 3m minus m plus 3 is equal to 0. When we take out m as a common, we get two roots. M as a common, m minus 3. Take out minus 1 is a common, m minus 3 is equal to 0. Here two factors we find out because the conic equation always having the two roots and two factors. M minus 3 take out as a common, then we get m minus 1 is equal to 0. Here two roots are m is equal to 3, and m is equal to 1. Now CF is given by when the roots are unequal. Now hence CF is equal to, when two roots are unequal like a and b, then CF is equal to c1 e the power x plus c2 e the power bx. c2 e the power bx, b is 3, so e the power 3x. c1 e the power x plus c2 e the power 3x. Now pi is equal to pi stands for particular integral. For finding out the pi, write down the RHS part of the given equation in numerator, that is 2 e the power 3x. 2 e the power 3x, and the equation of d in denominator. The equation of d is d square minus 4d plus 3. d square minus 4d plus 3. When we put directly 3 e the power ax upon ap identity, then we see that it becomes 0. Denominator becomes 0. That is not possible. So we write down, we know that e the power ax upon fd. fd stands for the function of d. Then we write down e the power ax upon fa. fa stands for the function of a. fa stands for the function of a. Now applying pi is equal to pi is equal to 2 into e the power 3x. When we directly put the 3, then we get the denominator is 0. That is not possible. So find out the factor of d square minus 4d plus 3, that is m minus 3, m minus 1. So d minus 3 and d minus 1. d minus 3 and d minus 1. pi is equal to pi is equal to 2 e the power 3x as it is. When we put d minus 3 as a equal to capital D is equal to 3, then we get 0. That is not possible. When d minus 1 at d is equal to 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into d minus 3. 2 cancel out. Now again applying the identity. Identity says that e the power ax upon d minus a the power n, then solution is given by x the power n upon factorial n into e the power ax into e the power ax. Now solution is pi is equal to when 2 and 2 cancel out, then pi is equal to, here n is equal to 1 and a is equal to 3. So x the power 1 upon factorial 1 into e the power 3x into e the power 3x. Now pi is equal to x into e the power 3x, x into e the power 3x. Hence general solution is given by, hence general solution is, we know that general solution is y is equal to CF plus pi. CF stands for complementary function or pi stands for particular integral. So y is equal to CF is c1 e the power x plus c2 e the power 3x. c1 e the power x plus c2 e the power 3x or plus pi is x into e the power 3x. That is our solution. c1 e the power x plus c2 e the power 3x plus x e the power 3x. Now our lecture is finished. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I think you understand how we can solve out the auxiliary equation and find the root. After then according to root where we react. Now lecture is finished. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.